Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find brands on AliExpress. Now, here's a step-by-step guide to help you find brands on the AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to go to the AliExpress website using any browser of your choice. You can log in by clicking the account icon at the top right corner of the page if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, on the home page, which of course we're seeing right here, you will see the main search bar at the top. Follow the cursor. Now, just below the search bar, you're definitely going to find an option that says categories. That's all categories. So scroll through the section, and once you scroll through the section, you're definitely going to find a couple of categories that you can just search from. Now, once you click on any of these categories, they're definitely going to present you with the brands that supply or that offer the products from any of these categories rather. So let's say we want for shoes, and I'm just going to click on shoes. That's going to open me up to the shoes web, or to the shoes window, which you have in here. So there are different kinds of shoes. Now go ahead and select the shoes that you want, and it's just going to display different brands for these shoes. And you can go all the way down to top selling for you to see different brands that sell these shoes. Different brands, really different brands that sell the shoes. Okay, so let's say I'm going for an ankle boots because I pretty much love ankle boots. Now select ankle boots, and you see all the brand names in here. Now this one is by Shop and all of this number store. This one is by Loyi 1N01 store, and this one is for the store, and all of them, they're all the same. This is this store. Oh, this is Nice and One shoes, or Nice and One store. Now just go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to take you right into the store page where you can find more information about this product, and of course more information about the brand itself. Okay, so I'm going to scroll the way down this customer review down to the specifications for you to see what exactly you are getting, down to description, and down to information, more information about it. And this is the brand, or this is the store that sells it, Nice and One stores. And that's pretty much how you can find brands on AliExpress. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.